Yeah, one father and son, one Natural Vibes TV. You guys are showing my pets. Tell me what you think about this pigeon, Nice and beautiful tail, nice and pretty. Yeah, one father and son, one TV. Support the channel. It's all about father and son. Show you a lot of stuff on the channel. Enough different things father and son showing at the game. Yeah, cause we always a try. So just support the channel. One father and son. One TV, we say. Tell me how my bird look. Bird nice and pretty. Yeah man, support the channel. One channel, we say. Yeah man, tell me if you like her. It's a nice woman bird. Yeah, pretty girl. Mix. That's why we show you say one nation, white and black. Support the channel. Yeah man. Yeah man, I'm here on the pets today. I don't know, say a black girl this from where there, she kinda missing out of the yard for 1 week and come back like sick out. So I don't know. Yeah man, so I'm there eat up some yam overs what I have left on the ground. So a black girl I don't know. Yeah man. Don't know mummy them call her Stella. So big up yourself Stella. Yeah man. One love on the channel, Stella girl. Yeah man, if you guys know what this flower's name, can comment on the channel and tell father and son. Yeah man, what you know about the flowers here, and what it name. We don't really remember what it name, but we know it's a great flowers. Yeah man, so you guys can just tell me what you know about the flowers here. Yeah man. And we have our next one here, so. We have all a corner bus here, so Violet bus, but yeah, that is maize, otherwise known as corn. Maize in Africa, corn in Jamaica. So we have white girl, so we whole like rabbit them dead off. Just that one here alone. And a one picking that out of the whole like picking them out of the barn in the coop. So a white girl alone like represent the coop. And a pretty white girl. Yeah man, a high grade ganja. Tree I come here so too. Yeah man, the whole atmosphere.